Hey everyone, how is it going? This is Noor Siddiq and you are watching Code Lovers. In this lesson, I am gonna discuss aspect ratio. Whenever you will be working with images, videos and so on, it is essential to understand aspect ratio. Before discussing the aspect ratio, let's add here an image. If you remember how we can add image, so we can add image through image tag, right? And image tag is self-closing tag, and here the tag is image and source equal to image source. Now question is, what is your image source? Where is image located? Here an image could be from your computer or from your file location, or image could be from internet like a valid image URL. Now here is an image in my computer, rose.jpg, and I am gonna add this image in my location, in my directory HTML learning, where the index.html is located and the image is located as well. So my image name is rose.jpg. Save and reload. Okay, we can see here a beautiful rose. Also, the source might be from internet, like I said. If I go here and I can copy an image from the internet. Let's open this in a new tab. You can copy image address and put it here, right? Let's go ahead and run this. Okay, it's a pretty big image from the Google, right? So one important thing we may want to add here, alter. So what is the alter attribute does? Like let's name as an image. So the purpose of the alter is whenever this image is broken or maybe took away from the internet, or the image is not functioning properly, or maybe your browser cannot load that image, so we will see the altered the text within the alter attribute. Let's make this image broken. Save, load. As you can see here, the text of the image, like the text inside the alter attribute, appears here whenever the image is not functional. So now the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is the width to the height of an image or a screen. So the aspect ratio represents the width and height ratio. Width is to height. So to understand the aspect ratio, let's see what is the width and height of an image, right? As you can see here, it's a pretty big image, right? The scale along the x-axis, the horizontal axis scale is width of an image. This is the width of an image, and the scale along the y-axis, the vertical axis, is the height of the image. So let's make it a bit small. Width equal to 200 and height equal to 120. Let's save and reload this. The image is quite small, so what we meant here, 200 is the scale along the x-axis and 120 is the scale along the y-axis in the vertical axis, right? So the aspect ratio is what is its width versus height. Sometimes we need to resize image and the image becomes distorted. To fix it, we can use only height or with any of the attribute. Let's remove the height, reload. HTML will automatically fix its height when the one attribute is available. So by width, we are telling, hey browser, keep my aspect ratio maintaining my image width. So if the width is 200, keeping the aspect ratio same, fix my or set my height considering the width. Now if I go to above image, you can see here something 720 into 400. So 720 is the height of the image and 405 is 720 is the width and 405 is the height of an image. What does that mean? 720 into 400. This is something called pixel. Pixel is a measurement unit. So the pixel is a measurement unit and a particular unit. So if we break this thing in 720 part, so each part will be a pixel, unit pixel, right? So by 720 we meant the height of the width of the image is 720 pixel and height is 405 pixel. Does that make sense? Alright, now I will show you how you can add video or embed video, or you can add a PDF file on your website. Let's add here a video from your computer. So to add video computer, we are gonna add a video tag. As you can see here, the video tag has start and end tag. So HTML has provided the video tag to add video on our web pages. So within the start tag, I'm gonna add the source of the video. Source equal to the video source, like the image we added just before this video. So what is my video source? So I have a video on my computer, techvideo.mp4, and I'm gonna add this video within this directory, and the techvideo.mp4 video is available in the directory where in the same directory where index.html is. And so the video name, I'm just gonna put here the video name, techvideo.mp4. Let's go ahead and run this. Okay, the video is here available now, but I cannot play the video, or I cannot control the video. We need to control the video, play the video, pause the video, increase or decrease the volume, or make it full screen. We need to add here controls. So controls allow us to control the video. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, I have the controller now. I can play the video. As you can see here, I can pause the video. Okay, also whenever the video starts, I can see a black skin. So I want to add here a thumbnail when the video will be loaded. So I can add here posters. So poster equal to, so how can I add a poster? As you can see here, I have a picture thumb.jpg. Let's add it. Thumb.jpg. Let's load and refresh this. As you can see here, the thumb is available now, but the video is pretty big. What we can do, we can add the width and height. Width and height, maybe width is 400 and height is maybe 300. But as we learned in the image aspect ratio, to maintain aspect ratio, we can provide a single attribute, either width or height. Just make it with 400, so our browser will automatically handle the height of this video. Let's reload this. Okay, we have now the small video. As you can see here, we can control, we can increase and decrease sound, as well as we can make it full screen. Another thing we can add here is whenever the video will be ended, it will automatically start playing. We can add loop here. So what loop does, so let's go ahead and run this. Whenever my video will be finished, the loop will automatically start the video. Did you see that? The video ended and automatically started. Now I'm gonna show you how you can add a YouTube video on your website. Let's say over here you can see a YouTube video, and if you right click, you will see the copy embed video. Click here, the embed video will be copied and paste here. As you can see here, the tag is here now, iframe. The iframe start tag and iframe end tag. So within the start tag, there are some attributes with height, source, and the source value is the actual image URL available on internet or on YouTube, and some other attributes. Let's go ahead and reload this. So the YouTube video is now embedded on your website. You can play it. Also, you can control the video. You can increase and decrease audio. You can make it full screen. So you have the YouTube video controller now. You also can change, like, you maintain the aspect ratio with only one attribute. Let's say I want to resize this video, or I want to change the width of this video. Let's say 300 pixel. And let's go ahead and reload this. Yep, the video is small now and you have the control and everything. The iframe tag you see here is so much powerful. You can add another full website within your web page using iframe. Let's remove this thing. You can add these things later. And as you can see here, we can provide a online or URL from internet directly within the source attribute. Let's add here this website and paste here. Okay, as you can see here, this is another website and I am gonna put this entire website within my web page, and I hope they are not gonna sue me. So let's save this and reload. As you can see here, this is the full website inside our home page, inside our web page, and this is quite small, so let's make it up little bit larger. So we can add width maybe 700 pixel and height equal to 500 pixel. And one thing you can do, you can add here some text, like if at some point or at any point this iframe doesn't load on your browser, so sorry, can't load, you can just provide some message if the iframe doesn't load on the browser. Let's go ahead and run this. Now as you can see here, this is a full iframe, and you can click here, you can click at any point, like you can do here. This is the same thing, and it is quite risky, and some of the organizations do not allow you to add this full website on your website, because this is someone else's website and you are going to add this website inside your web browser. So sometimes they restrict it, like let's try to add W3 school within our web page, and let's see what happens. Let's save this and reload. Okay, they do not allow you to add the entire website within your web page. Another thing we can do, we can add a presentation slide on our web page. I have a sample presentation document, presentation.pptx, and I have 3 sample slides. So you may have more slides on your presentation document. So let's add this ppt docs within our directory, and it is available in the same directory where index.html is available. Now let's add this presentation.pptx document under the source attribute. Presentation.pptx. Let's go ahead and run this on our web page. As you can see here, when we started adding the presentation document on our web page, it becomes a subject of auto download. The file downloads automatically, but it doesn't show anything. This is a problem when we want to add presentation file on our web page through the iframe. It directly doesn't work, but there is another hack you can do. You can upload your document on your Google Drive, then open this file with Google Slides. Essentially, this file should be public, so you have to share it with public. Click on Advanced and change the status, so the public is default here. So just make sure the public is check marked. As you can see here, anyone on the internet can find and access, no sign in required, because if you do not share Google Doc, so no one can see or access that document from the Google document link, and save it. Now hit the done button. Now go to publish to the web, and you will see two link and embed. Toggle to the embed button and you should be able to see the embed code in this input area. Copy this code and paste it on your web page. Let's go ahead and reload this page. Okay, I can see the document is available here now, and it's pretty big, so we can change the width. Let's say 800 pixel and height is 500 pixel. Now let's see what happens. Let's make it a bit smaller, 500 and 300. Reload. Okay, now the document is pretty viewable, and you can see this is in a presentation mode. So the arrow, if you hit the arrow, it is going to the second page and again third page. This is another thing, and this presentation slide can be incorporated on our web page through the iframe tag as you added image, videos and other files. Now I'm going to show you how you can add a PDF on your website. Let's say I have a PDF on my desktop, and I'm gonna add this PDF to this directory, and the PDF file name is sample.pdf. So I will add here a tag name embed. So embed start tag and end tag. Within this embed tag, I'm gonna add the source of the PDF file, and since the PDF file and index.html file within the same directory, I'm gonna just put here the PDF file name sample.pdf, and I'm gonna add here type equal to application / PDF, and height maybe 300 pixel, and width equal to 100%. Let's go ahead and reload this. Sample.pdf quotation. Okay, here is my PDF. As you can see here, the PDF is available on my web page now, and I have provided the full width here, so 100% width, my PDF full width, and I wanted to get a scroll here. As you can see here, I can scroll and go down to the file, as well as the file should be downloaded here. If you click here, this will allow you to download the file from your website. So what we did here, we just inserted the PDF source file, and application / PDF is another attribute, and you can change the height, so this height will be changed according to your need, and width is 100% because I wanted to put this width as my file it is. We can do it 50%, and okay, let's go ahead and save this. The width become smaller, like half of the actual width, and this is you also can scroll from here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to share with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.